Some old boring Sunday morning, old man's outside, washing the car. Mum's in the kitchen, cooking Sunday dinner, her best deals, moaning while we laugh. Johnny is upstairs, in bedroom, sitting in the dark, annoying the neighbours with his half-rock electric guitar. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, he protests the crashing of my home. 10 o'clock, no more suffering, driving me mad, won't leave me alone. John is upstairs, staring at the dark. Say, what you looking at? There's nothing now.
That's right.
This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. She's the one to be free. Now they were out of here. Play too far, play out of tune. Practicing a six-bedroom. Drums quite good, the bass is too loud, but I can't hear a word. This is the sound, this is the sound of the suburbs. 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 This is the sound. Yeah, this is the sound. Yeah, this is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs, calling you home. This is the sound of the suburbs. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the sound of the suburbs. But what you gonna do? This is the sound.